That is, that's she, that's me, period.
Yo, Salina in this bitch about to get lit. What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're gonna do another makeup tutorial. Yes, using the one and only James Charles palette. I have the mini palette version of that, and we're gonna be working at this region of the palette, which is like the greens. Trying to go with my look, royal look. Did my eyebrows off camera, like I say, they third cousins. They don't mess with each other. They know of each other, but they ain't like this. They like this. They not like this. And then I prime off camera with this Maybelline Master Prime 100 prime base, and then I did my eyebrows with a Dollar Tree pencil. Yes, it's black. Mind your business, stay in your lane. That's me. Let me, this disclaimer, I am not your typical beauty guru. I do what I want to do. I'm Salina. And then I shaped up, cleaned up my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And then I also, after I prime, I put a little, thanks Auntie Jackie. She taught me how to, you know, just put a little bit to set in your primer. Just a little extra little coverage, you know, or whatever. Thanks, Jackie. So let's get right into it. We ain't got nothing on the waist. Good thing only did in, y'all. I'm getting better. Only did my eyebrows one time this time. Ooh, you used to take me about 5 times. Ooh. So, and I also put the fawn on my lids. I'm gonna take this brush right here from e.l.f. It is the, I know you lie. Is the eye contour brush. I'm gonna dip into Daddy. Ooh, kill him. Daddy. Daddy's home. Home. And I know you've been waiting. And take it with the other ear. On the other side or whatever. Y'all, my goal every week is to drop 10 videos. You know, dim dabble, you know, my name is saRANDOMlina. So it's gonna be different videos from, like, you know, reaction video, different, all kinds of reaction videos, makeup tutorials. I'm gonna end up doing also poetry, you know, spoken word, a little spoken something, because I do write poetry, you know. And that looks like that's all she wrote. Automata. And it is a detail brush. I'm gonna take this green, the lighter green, which is Social Blade. And then I'm gonna go right above where I put the Z at. It's like I'm ready to get off quarantine, but I'm not, because all my stuff is not in order yet. It's giving me a good chance to be more active on social media and, you know, my YouTube and stuff like that. And I'm gonna take this brush that I use Daddy with and just merge those two together. And then I'm gonna take this brush from Motomata, and I'm gonna dip into this yellow, which is B. Not too much, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take this Motomata brush that I use for the Social Blade and just blend it out a little bit. Get some white from LA Girl Pro Concealer, the white, and then we're gonna do still coming out like that. And then we're gonna do a cut crease, not too much. I'm gonna take this Motomata brush, like I said, and I'm gonna dip into some spooky and just go in right there a little bit on the side, the corner of your eye. I'm gonna take my Glam Tapper from Motomata and take this Guac Cash Money, and then I'm gonna just take the brush that I did use with the black. I'm gonna dust it off with my little thing I got from the tree, y'all. It is great, okay? You'll dust it off and then just merge the two a little bit. I'm trying to take my little Dollar Tree little LA colors, knock off of LA Girls, you know, little boom boom. That's all she wrote for this. Then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Dream Radiance Liquid Hydration Foundation and just put a little bit right there, right there. And I need to give me some more Fenty though. I rocks with Fenty. I got a little bit left, but I'm gonna hold off on using that when I do like a real crazy look. But I like your shoe though. A drugstore. Ooh. I'm going to take the color Toast from the LA Girl Pro Concealer and, you know, underneath the eye. And then let that sit a little bit. Then go in with the True Complexion palette from Black Radiance. You know, Dark D. I'm gonna just take this little pencil. We ain't gonna use for what it's used for. We just gonna do what it do. You know, like I said, I'm not your ordinary beauty guru. So then you gonna, you know, put a line right there, put a line right there, and then do the side.
Whoa. Why my nose so big?
To your nose too. And across the bridge to your nose. And then that's it. That's all she wrote. And then what else you might want to contour? Oh yeah, my forehead. Even though I don't got no forehead, no big forehead. Just contour it just because you know you can. And then that's all she wrote. Okay, once I'm done with that, now I'm gonna go into this and beat it in. Beat it. The contour brush from Wet n Wild. Wow. And start, you know, getting down and dirty. Buffing out your contour. So I don't know if I want to use my banana powder from Black Radiance or my Fenty. I think I might use my Fenty today. No, I think I'm gonna use my Black Radiance. Take this brush right here, the dust, the shoulder. That's it. That's all. And then a little highlight. That's it. Little highlight. Take this brush right here to highlight. I think I'll just take this Real Techniques brush and just highlight using Paradise. Ooh, glowing.
Oh my God.
Broke that one down too far. But then you can fix it. Use the same brush that wrote. Take that black eyeliner that I had and outline my lip. I don't have a color to do with this. Elf is just a lip lacquer. I'm gonna dip into that guac and just put a little bit on your lip. Don't gotta be too much. And then that's it. That's all she wrote, y'all. Bam, done out there, bitch. All right, guys, that's my makeup tutorial using the James Charles Morphe Artistry palette. Use all the greens and a little bit of yellow. Tell me what you think. Let me know. I will be reading all and liking all the comments down below. Since you're here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Salina out there, bitch. Stay lit. Bye, cousins.